Okay, I'm back for a quick one actually. We're going to change out this stock axle and I want to put in this drop axle I picked up. So I'm just gonna pop this guy off and throw the other guy on. Should be fairly straightforward. I don't know, I've never done it before, but we're gonna give it a go right now. All right, give me 5. We'll just get set up here. Okay, so let's grab a pickle fork here. And see, maybe I'll come around this way. Gonna break through. Yep, there we go. Okay.
Good job.
Now we got 8 bolts to take off. All these rubber lines. Dry as a bone, not unexpected. Let's try this side. More of the same.
Dry as bone.
Okay, I'm going to go underneath and we'll pull off these bolts here.
Oh, whoa, honey, whoa, that cover.
Okay. Okay, so we got all of our bolts undone. In theory, I should be able to just drop this axle. I think it's going to hang up on those bolts. We'll see.
Hmm. Yeah, hung up on
that. So I'll give her a couple of love taps. There's shock mounts down here.
Good job. Good teamwork. Alright, lower it down slowly, boys. Slowly.
Lower yours down,
Yeah,
Roll
lower.
over on the jack.
Look at this.
I'll lower the jack.
Do I turn it left? Okay.
Right there, it's good.
Open it up.
Yep.
Turn the knob.
Turn to the right.
Right. Position. A little bit more.
Keep coming. Oh, hold on.
Am I in the hole? Does that look right from over there?
What's that?
Does it look okay?
Well, looks like it needs to go my way a little bit yet. There we go.
The frame is bent on the
You
video.
don't want to show the bent frame, bud. Sunday. Doesn't he know you don't work Sundays?
Yeah.
Just doesn't care.
Didn't care today.